And it was actually 4 mics that were live in that moment. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is here. Sometimes that second mic comes on like live on its own. It's the mic over by my workstation. I've been trying to figure out how to get them to sync up so that I can just leave them on all the time. But I like to be able to walk over to the workstation and switch the microphones. But it looks like I introduced some complication, just like unnecessary complexity into this whole system. So I'm going to have to figure out how I want to fix it. And I think for tonight, I'm just going to I'm going to leave just not use the pedals and troubleshoot that later and just make some stuff. I think that sounds like the right answer. I'm not in the mood. Not in the mood for technical difficulties. Feels like my seat went down. Yeah, my seat's all the way down. Mysteries. Oh no, it's not. But it did loosen up. I did not forget to tweet. Oh, I didn't send it. Yeah, I guess I did. Forget to tweet. All right. Now, who wants to see me struggle with pottery instead of struggling with technical difficulties? Yeah, let's do that. How do I know how much material to use for whatever it is I'll be making? I generally guess. Like, for some things, I have it pre-measured out. I know, like, for small cups, it's a ½ pound. And I can eyeball a ½ pound of clay. And then for mugs, like that guy right there, it's like a pound of clay. And I have a rig here for chopping out a pound of clay from a 3-inch cylinder. So a lot of it is just by feel. It is porcelain night. It's going to be porcelain night, I think, until I can't stand it anymore. So I'm going to try to get through the porcelain that I've already opened and started the recycling. Then I'll probably move back to stoneware, but I still have, looks like 90 pounds of porcelain left to go through. It's so weird that it's consistently you, okay, that's having problems with the bot seeing you.